Princess Fatima has been doing a little shopping. She was over at Medusa's Makeup looking to replace a lip gloss that I've had for a long time and it's past its prime. So it's time for a replacement there. And she did a little shopping. Let's see what she got. This is the closest I could find that they had to replace the one that Anne needs to replace. It's not exactly the same, but it will serve its purpose, and it looks like fun. Nice and sparkly. Medusa's Makeup Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the shade Bad Girls. I think it's a fun shimmer. Oh yeah, me too. I'm attracted to blingy things. That was a $14 lip gloss. And while I was there, I noticed that they had some mystery boxes. Or small packages, at least. So for $5, I got a mystery lip gloss. This is in the shade Boogie Nights. That is a fun shade. So once again, it's the Medusa's Makeup Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle. That is a fun, and I don't know how well the camera is picking it up. It's not just brown. There are some greenish golden hue in there. Not bad for $5. Originally it was $14. This is an eyeshadow. I let Anne do the swatch this time since it's only one shade. This is cruelty-free and vegan. It is a matte eyeshadow and the shade is Martinique. It has a value of $14, but it was in the mystery for $5. They've got some neat mystery stuff over there. Anyone else tried out their mystery bags? Or mystery items, I guess? And then I saw one more $5 mystery pack that had a value of $28, and it would have 2 items in it. So, in the 2-item package, we have Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm. It is also nourishing in the shade Smile. Trying to keep it closed up so it doesn't start its timer because I've got a lot of lip balms. But that's an interesting shade. I don't think it's going to be that dark. I think it's going to be more of a sheer product, but interesting. And this next one really got our attention. It is an eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, does that just not get you? Oh, wow. I nearly screamed when I saw this one. That looks like fun. It is in the shade Sophia. And then we got to thinking, I wonder how this, hold on to it, please don't swallow it. I'll try not to swallow it. You're doing it, put it in my mouth. That with this, and we're trying to decide, we're hemming. I'm gonna have to play with it. I'm hemming and hawing. Is this gonna go together or is this gonna clash? What do you think? I'm gonna have to play around with it. I know, she looks like she's smoking a cigar. We also got to thinking if the Boogie Nights lip gloss that came in the mystery bag would go with the lip balm. It's a possibility. Again, I'm going to have to play around with it. What do y'all think? I think it's a possibility. It's worth playing around with. So all things considered on this one, I spent $29 and have a value of $70. That's not bad for 1 full price item, and then 3 mystery bundles, which gave us a total of 4 more items. I'd say that's a very good return on the investment. Nice job in the shopping department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I do love a good shop. You taught me well. That I did. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. We got lots of fun videos over here, so come back for more. See you soon.